Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto TV. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we will be talking about few technical indicators and try to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly start it with the first currency, which is the Bitcoin. And if you look at the current market price, which is trading at 31,600, so after a very long time we have seen a very good green candle upside momentum, and the price is actually trading higher than the 30,000 level. So if you remember in the last few sessions, in the last few videos, we were talking about this thing, that the price is basically taken a support at 29,140. So that's a good sign, after a fall, if the price is stabilizing something, so we might able to see little upside from there, and that's the reason we are getting it yesterday. Now if you look at the next immediate resistance, which is at 32,330. So if the price closes above that, then we can say a trend reversal kind of situation happen. Until then, till the time the price is trading below that, we can see that we are still in a downtrend. Now, if you look at the RSI, which is at 50, so that is also at a very important level. If the RSI also crosses above this 50 level and crosses, comes up above than 50 levels, we will definitely see more upside momentum in the upcoming days. So if you look at the EMAs here, so 50 EMA is at 33,893. 100 EMA is at 37,200 and 200 EMA is at 40,560. Now there is no change in the support and resistance level. So support 1 is at 29,140, support 2 is at 25,823, resistance 1 is at 32,330 and resistance 2 is at 35,335. Let's quickly move on to the chart. Okay, now if you look at here, you can see that after this fall, I think it's been a month of May. I think from the second week of May, you can see that the price is taking the support of this 29,140 level, which is an important thing, right? So now yesterday it was up by around 8%, and today there is a doji. So we might able to get more clarity by the end of the day, because this is something that the trading happens later in the day. And if you look at the yesterday's candle, you can see the price is actually tested this resistance of 32,000 something. However, it just closes below than that. So you can see, and in fact the volumes were good as well. Now if you see here, so if the price crosses this, closes above than this, and then we might able to get more upside momentum. And if the price is able to cross this trend line also, then we will definitely get the clear indication of the trend reversal. And if not, if that doesn't happen, you can see that the price will come back again to 29,140 level. So this is how you can play, or you can look at the Bitcoin chart. And if you look at the Ethereum, so similar situation you can see here. It's trading at 1970. So there is a psychological level of 1950. So slightly trading higher than that. Still, we can say a negative trend is there. However, it was up by 10% yesterday. RSI is at 43. EMAs, 50 EMAs is at 2353. 100 EMA is at 2,638 and 200 EMA is at 2,875. No change in the levels. So support 1 is at 1,724. Support 2 is at 1,510. Resistance 1 is at 2,145 and resistance 2 is at 2,336. Now again, for this particular currency, if you look at here, you can see an important resistance of 2145, and right, so this is the support that the price has taken, which is of 1725, and from there the price is rising. Volumes were good yesterday, and today there is no momentum. It's only 1% down, so we can't consider that momentum to the downside, because it's nothing. It's it's nothing if we talk about the Ethereum. So let's just wait for the evening session, and we might able to get more clarity. So this is looking good. If you see that the price will come back to this 2145 levels, and if the price crosses and closes above than that, you will definitely see a trend reversal. And till that time, we can't say we are not sure about the reversal, but yes, we can say that still we are in a downtrend, because the technical rules are still, the downtrend is still following. So there is no change in that. The rules are still intact. So we can't be sure as of now that the trend reversal has already happened. So we need to wait for that. And if that happens, you will definitely see that more upside momentum will be there. And if not, the price will come back again to 1725 level. So this is the range for Ethereum. And so basically, this is how we conduct these two analysis, cryptocurrencies analysis every day. I hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for watching us.